In this video, we will review Falcon Endpoint Protection Pro and how this solution can replace your existing antivirus to provide your company with better protection, better performance, and better value. CrowdStrike reduces complexity by delivering comprehensive visibility and prevention through a cloud-native solution. There is no requirement for any on-premise hardware or databases because all of the management functionality is delivered through a single cloud console. The lightweight agent is easy to deploy and does not require a reboot after install. It offers immediate value with no need for managed services, complex tuning, or ongoing signature updates. The agent then collects event data that is analyzed and stored in the cloud, where the CrowdStrike Threat Graph gives customers real-time visibility into the events in their environment. As we look at a demonstration of Falcon Endpoint Protection Pro, we will see the following solutions in action. CrowdStrike's next-generation antivirus solution applies advanced prevention capabilities, including machine learning, behavioral analytics, and exploit blocking to the event telemetry. This enables proven protection as well as visibility into suspicious behaviors. Falcon Pro also delivers response capabilities, including network containment and the ability to take action remotely via real-time response. CrowdStrike's solution includes integrated intelligence, capturing actionable details on the threats targeting your organization. Falcon Endpoint Protection Pro customers also have the option to leverage CrowdStrike's USB device control. To see Pro protection in action, we will begin with the CrowdStrike UI. The complete menu of products and modules is shown on the left, including functionality like configuring policies and managing hosts. This detections dashboard gives administrators an overview of recent activity and a notification of a new detection. At the top of the detections list, we see some of the available filter options. This provides access to quickly focus efforts on things like tactic, technique, status, and severity. By clicking on any event, we can get even more detail. Here we learn that this high-severity event began with Outlook, where the user then opened an Excel attachment. CrowdStrike has identified Excel launched a PowerShell script, and that script launched a remote file. For both, we see the tactic and technique are identified. CrowdStrike also provides the complete command line details that reveal that a remote PowerShell script called work was executed. As we look to other aspects of the process tree, we see a cert util event that signifies a remote file copy, where CrowdStrike again provides the command line details. The registry command shows us the specific change being made. Adding a key called insurance policy to the run directory is a way to establish persistence and ensure that the work script starts again anytime this system reboots. We can also use this information later in our remediation of this system. The next cert util command shows the download of a tools zip file that is then extracted through a PowerShell command. We then see the attacker try to run an executable from a temp directory. In this case, the green checkmark indicates that CrowdStrike was able to block the execution, and we also see that the file was quarantined. For most vendors, that is the end of the story. However, with CrowdStrike's integrated threat intelligence, quarantined files automatically go through sandbox analysis. Directly from the detection, we can open the sandbox report and immediately learn that this file has been attributed to e-crime actor Pinchy Spider. We see that this is the group responsible for the Gand Crab ransomware. Looking at the analysis of our specific sample, the sandbox tells us that this too is a piece of ransomware. Now that we understand everything that has happened, we can take action and network contain this system. That prevents any lateral movement or communications from this host while we remediate. Next, we will connect to the system to perform remote remediation. Real-time response allows us to run commands on the remote system, use PowerShell scripts, or run executables. While those might exist locally on the system, we can also upload any script or executable. Here, we will use a few simple commands to remediate. First, we will get a copy of the downloaded PowerShell script for forensics investigation. Then we can delete that file from the machine along with the persistence registry key that was put in place. With that, we have undone all of the changes made by the attacker. We can now close the real-time response session and lift network containment. We were able to fully remediate this system with minimal impact to productivity. CrowdStrike's Endpoint Protection Pro provides better protection against all types of attacks, not just malware. In this example, we saw CrowdStrike's world-class next-generation prevention capabilities. Not only did CrowdStrike block and quarantine the malicious file, but the process tree identified the attack vector as Excel launched from Outlook and provided a complete picture of the entire event down to the command line details. Network containment and real-time response provided the tools needed to safely remediate the impacted system. Integrated threat intelligence gave us context around the event, including actor attribution and confirmation of a ransomware attack. All of this is delivered through a single agent and cloud-delivered platform. CrowdStrike's approach also makes it easy to onboard new security functionality as the need arises for customers. Falcon Endpoint Protection Pro protects the organization, empowers response, and provides intelligence context so that every member of your security team will be able to work faster and smarter to finally get ahead of the adversary. For more information, please visit us at crowdstrike.com.